I brought this PlayStation 5 controller at a car boot for £5. It's a bargain. This is some thumbsticks. It's got some damage, but today's video I'll be taking it apart, fixing it, and also customising it. Oh, this controller does have stick drift on the right. Why am I turning it around for? Let's just turn this back around. Yeah, that's loads better. There's a little bit of stick drift. There's a few damages all around the controller, especially these top buttons. They're a bit scuffy and there's a bit of yellowing on the sides. But overall, the controller isn't actually that bad. £5, I'd say. Isn't actually that bad white. It's not the colour we're choosing, but I wouldn't mind an all white controller. My phone did decide to run out of storage halfway through this, but I did realise in time, and the next part is me soldering things off. Now with the soldering iron, I'll disconnect 2 wires which control the vibration motors, and the board should come off. All here now. I have gone over it with some wire wool, all of it really. Then we'll respray that matte black or a satin black because it was a bit used and just wanted to make it look better. Spray paint it all, I'm going to prime it all now. And then I've got the black for that. Some reds to finish it all off. So it's all primed now. I've got to wait 24 hours until I can put the red spray paint on.
Hours later.
So the primer is now dried, thanks to the British weather. It's all dried. Now I'm going to paint those bits I've just shown you red. And I've got the other piece in the garage, which is going to go a nice black again. Looks like a red and black controller with white buttons. The controller has come out great. The black bit looks amazing. This I'll talk about now. I left that. I didn't want to paint that because it's information. Do you know what I mean? If it comes to the future when I've got to fix it, I can figure out what model number it is. I can figure out what model number it is, etc. Because I'll forget.
The red's come out really good on this. I like it. And the front bit, the red looks really nice. And on the touchpad, I think black, red and white buttons will really suit this. Let's put it back together and see what it looks like. It's finished. Now it's not perfect, obviously. The back, I still need to clean that. Oh god, I forgot the buttons. Wait there. It's actually back together now. There's a few things wrong, obviously the back. The top is amazing. A few marks there. Couldn't really get there deep though. The paint kind of helped. And around the thumbsticks there's meant to be something that goes around it. I'd have to order that. But the paint is done and the red, white and black looks really nice. So that is the end of this video. If you liked it, like and subscribe, and I will be definitely doing more of these customizations in the future. And obviously there's stick drift on this one. Not bad, but in the next video on this I will be replacing that stick. So look forward to that. Thank you. Goodbye.